Is your Amazon Echo Show camera not working? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Ensure camera is turned on. If you are experiencing problems with your Amazon Echo Show camera, ensure the camera on your Echo Show is turned on. If the camera is off, it won't work, no matter what other steps you take. So make sure the camera is on. Method 2. Restart your Echo Show. The next thing you can do is restart the Echo Show device. Disconnect your Echo Show from the power source. Wait for a few minutes, reconnect your Echo Show to the power source. This will restart the device and fix any minor software glitches that might be causing the problem. Method 3. Enable home monitoring. Swipe down from the top of the screen and select Settings. Go to Camera. Ensure the home monitoring option is turned on. Tap Continue to proceed. If prompted, enter your Amazon account password and tap Done. Ensure that home monitoring is active. Method 4. Update your device. Next, you can check for software updates. Swipe down from the top of the screen and select Settings. Then head to Device Options. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Software Version or check for updates. If an update is available, install it. Keeping your device up to date can fix many issues, including camera problems. For additional solutions, you can explore our comprehensive guide. The link is provided in the description below. Method 5. Factory Reset. Access Settings, go to Device Options. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm the reset process by pressing Reset. Be aware that this will delete all your data on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Echo Show again. Method 6. Contact Amazon Support. If none of the methods work, contact Amazon Support for further assistance. If you continue to experience issues, it might be a hardware problem and you may need to consider getting a replacement device. And there you have it, the method to fix the issue when Amazon Echo Show camera not working. We hope the methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.